create our own environment. Let me give you a very simple example. Have you ever bought a new pair of shoes and every time you go on the streets, every couple of minutes, you see someone wearing them? We see what we have programmed our minds to see. There is a tendency in humans to ignore plant species. You walk into your office one day, you see a big beautiful plant standing in the corner, you ask your colleague, he says it's been there for 2 weeks already. It's called plant blindness, and some believe that it was needed for survival. If you're in the jungle looking for prey, you want to concentrate only in your prey, you want to find your prey, or you want to make sure that you don't become a prey, so you want to find the predator. So in a way, we create our own environment, and in this meditation, this is what we're going to do. And we're going to do this in order to bring our body and our mind in a state of calm, quiet, and peace. So we're going to start in a comfortable position, and if possible, make sure that you have a calm, quiet space. You can do this sitting down, you can do this lying down. And then from here onwards, we're going to close our eyes. Just take a moment to find stillness. Notice your breath, coming and going. And become aware of your body. Visualize your body and the position you're in. And now, with as much detail as possible, visualize also the room you're in. Visualize the walls, the ceiling, and see the room building up in front of your closed eyes. Any windows or furniture, the floor, any lamps, any pictures. Now bring color to the room and to everything else inside the room. See yourself in the room, listening to the sounds around you. Very alert of what's happening around you. And now allow that image to dissolve. And let the space in front of your closed eyes return to blackness. Infinite, spacious darkness. And now visualize a place where you would like to be right now. A place that can bring you peace and quiet. It could be real, place you have been before in the past, or a place you would like to be in the future that you have never been before, or a completely imaginary place. It could be, for example, floating in space, or diving in deep waters.